If you've ever opened itch.io and felt a little overwhelmed by how many games are on there, you're not alone. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to search for games in itch.io so you can quickly find the type of game you want without wasting time scrolling forever. This is a simple beginner-friendly guide, and by the end, you'll know how to browse categories, filter by tag, and use the search bar like a pro. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software and website tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open itch.io in your browser and take a look at the top of the page. One of the easiest ways to start searching is by using the Browse tab in the top left corner. Click on Browse and itch.io will take you to a page where you can explore different games, collections, and categories. This is a great option if you want to discover games by genre or style instead of searching for something super specific. Once you're on the Browse page, you'll notice that itch.io gives you a lot of ways to narrow things down. The next method is filtering by tag. Look for the Select a Tag dropdown and click it. When the list opens, choose a tag that matches the kind of game you want. For example, you might pick a genre, theme, or game style that interests you. As soon as you select a tag, itch.io will instantly update the results and show you games that match that tag. This is one of the fastest ways to find games that fit your interests, because you're not searching through everything at once. If you want something even more specific, keep exploring different tags until you find the exact kind of game you're looking for. Tags are especially helpful when you want to discover hidden indie games, unusual genres, or niche experiences that might not show up in a basic search. Now, if you already know the name of a game or you have a specific type of game in mind, you can use the search bar at the top. Just click into the search field and type in what you want to find. You can search by game title, keyword, or even a general term related to the kind of game you want. After you type your search, itch.io will bring up matching results so you can jump straight to the game page. This is the best method when you already know what you're looking for and want to get there fast. A good tip is to combine these methods depending on your goal. If you're browsing casually, start with browse and tags. If you're hunting for something specific, use the search bar. And if you're not finding what you want right away, try changing the tag or using a different keyword to get better results. That little adjustment can make a huge difference. So to quickly recap, you can search for games in itch.io by clicking the Browse tab, filtering by tag using the Select a Tag dropdown, or typing directly into the search bar at the top. These three methods make it easy to find games whether you're exploring or searching with a goal in mind. If this video helped, please like the video and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.